Residential outdoor water use accounts for roughly 30 to 60% of total household water use for the average homeowner. Customers may not realize how much water they can save just by correcting their irrigation systems. It could be many thousands of gallons per month, easily more water than anything inside your house. That is why Seminole County offers free irrigation evaluations for our customers. Our team can break a customer's water usage down, starting with years, months, and even days. If we observe a trending pattern of high water consumption on an individual parcel, we then proceed to create a ticket for one of our licensed irrigation and landscape professionals to schedule an appointment for an evaluation at your home. We will call you to schedule a date that best suits the homeowner. On the day of the appointment, a technician will call the provided phone number on file or ring the doorbell upon their arrival to the address provided. Once at your location, our licensed irrigator will examine the yard, taking any notes they find or need to mark down. They will observe the entire irrigation system while it is running in a test mode, check the irrigation timer settings, check the status of the rain sensor, and of course, check for any leaks. If any leaks are found, the technician will gladly notate it in the report, as well as mention it to the homeowner at the end of the evaluation. We then put together a custom report that specifies the current run times the system was at, the modified run times the technician suggests, and the new day set for watering, the status of your rain sensor, and any comments suggested or noted by your technician. Something as simple as straightening out the settings on your irrigation system can often save you thousands of gallons per month. If you believe your sprinkler system is guzzling out more water than it should be, or that your water bill is higher than it normally is, with no significant changes being made to the system itself, then you can call us about scheduling a free irrigation evaluation.